Are you playing Peak and encountering the dreaded save game not working error, resulting in lost progress? You're not alone. This video will guide you through understanding and fixing this frustrating issue. We'll explore why this happens and provide actionable steps to recover your game. Peak's save system, while functional, is prone to corruption due to several factors. These include abrupt game crashes that interrupt the saving process. Power outages can also interrupt save processes, leaving files incomplete and vulnerable to corruption. Potential data fragmentation issues can occur, especially on older storage systems. The game's engine, built on Unity, initially lacked robust error handling and checksums, making save files vulnerable to these issues. Understanding these causes is the first step to prevention. Sleepless Clinic, the developers of Peak, have released multiple patches addressing the save corruption problem. Version 1.4.3, released in December 2025, introduced enhanced cloud synchronization and automatic backups. While these updates significantly reduced progress loss by about 70%, some players, especially those on older hardware or using unpatched versions, may still encounter issues. Make sure your game is up to date. When faced with save corruption in Peak, there are several immediate fixes you can try to recover your lost progress. First, check for any backup saves in the game's directory. These files usually have a .sav extension and are stored in your Peak installation folder. If you find a backup save, rename it to replace the corrupted save file. This often restores your progress without any data loss. If backups don't work, check for cloud saves through Steam Cloud if you have it enabled in your Steam settings. As a last resort, community-created guides like the Peak Save Recovery Guide on Steam offer hex editing techniques. However, use these with extreme caution as they can further corrupt your files. To minimize future save corruption, regularly back up your save files to an external drive or use cloud saves. Avoid multitasking during save processes to prevent interruptions. Ensure your system meets the game's minimum requirements and has stable power. Consider using file integrity checkers to monitor for data corruption proactively. The Peak community has been instrumental in finding solutions to save corruption issues. Players share their experiences and workarounds on online forums. Explore resources like Reddit's r/Peak, where users post troubleshooting tips and alternative methods for different game versions and hardware setups. Steam guides offer user-created fixes and detailed instructions for repairing corrupted save files. Remember to always create backups of your save files before attempting any community-suggested fixes to avoid permanent data loss. Gaming industry experts emphasize the importance of robust save systems in preventing player frustration and maintaining trust. While Peak's initial save system had significant flaws that led to widespread corruption issues, the lessons learned from these problems have directly influenced the development of more reliable systems in their newer projects. The gaming industry is trending towards hybrid cloud models that combine local saves with cloud synchronization, providing automatic backups and reducing the risk of permanent data loss. AI-assisted debugging tools are increasingly used to identify potential save corruption issues during development, helping developers create more stable save systems before games are released. Save integrity is expected to become a standard metric in game reviews, pushing developers to prioritize reliable save mechanisms and make data preservation a core part of game design. Looking ahead, Sleepless Clinic has shifted their focus to new projects, making major updates for Peak unlikely after 2025. While the current patches have significantly improved game stability, ongoing support threads indicate that some users may still need to perform manual save file repairs. The developers at Sleepless Clinic are now concentrating on new projects, which means no major updates for Peak are expected beyond 2025. The patches released so far have greatly enhanced the game's stability, reducing save corruption incidents. However, some players might still encounter issues and need to perform manual save file repairs as indicated by continuing support discussions. To protect your progress in Peak, it's essential to prioritize proactive save management. Regular backups and following best practices will help ensure you don't lose your hard-earned achievements. This concludes our exploration of Peak's save game corruption issues and how to handle them. Remember to stay proactive with your save management to enjoy the game without worries.